I'm Starlyn, and I'm gonna be a veterinarian. And when I grow up, I'm gonna go to Australia with the People to People Student Ambassador Program. I will travel to Australia with a group of students around my age. For a 20-day educational trip. Our curriculum will include the Australian culture, the Aboriginal people, and the animals. What better way to learn about the different animals of Australia? The Great Barrier Reef is the home to many unique animals. After all, there is no better way to learn the culture and care for the animals than first-hand experience. When we get to feed the wild dolphins, work alongside marine biologists, and do dolphin behavioral research. We also get to cuddle and care for sick koala bears. I am paying my own way to Australia. I know my parents don't have that kind of money. I would do anything to earn money. I'm asking for your help in making my dreams come true. I will look in exchange for your support. For example, I will walk your dogs, babysit, clean for you and send you a postcard from Australia. Anything. Thank you for your support. Starlyn Sierra Robbins.